Are energy drinks good for you? The answer is no. Whether you like them or not, whether they taste good or not, the answer is no. They're not good for you in any way at all. In 2016, a local boy not far from here died because he had a heart attack after drinking 2 bangs. They're not good for you at all. They make your blood sugar go up, and they have a very slight chemical in it, but it's still a very strong one that has effects in your heart which can kill you. But it is a business and it makes billions of dollars every year. And they're not going to stop making them. If they were going to stop making something because it was bad for you, they would have banned cigarettes and alcohol a long time ago. But it's a business and business makes money. And money is what makes the world go round. It's just basics. If anything's bad for you, but it's good and people will buy it, they're just going to keep making it. They don't care about your health or anything. So we can give you tips, and that's not to drink them.